property. Ring puts homes cupcakes.
10.
Did you know that SmartThings is the easiest way to turn your home into a smart home? Your smart home needs a brain, so get started with a SmartThings hub. It connects wirelessly with a wide range of smart devices and makes them work together. Next, add some smart devices and put your home to work. Choose from a wide range of compatible devices including lights, speakers, locks, thermostats, sensors and more. Finally, use one of the SmartThings apps or Amazon Alexa to control your home. Teach your house new tricks by telling it what to do when you're asleep, awake, away, and back home. SmartThings really is the easiest way to turn your home into a smart home. Samsung SmartThings. Add a little smartness to your things.
9.
Did you leave the garage open? Did you let the dog out? Did you put the groceries away? Meet Nest Cam. You can set it up and connect it to Wi-Fi in less than a minute. And see your home in beautiful high-definition video. Use it to solve mysteries. The big ones and the little ones. You'll get an alert if there's motion or sound. And you can talk back.
Henry! Bad boy. Off.
It lets you see once the lights go out. So you can take care of the things that go bump in the night. And with a Nest Aware subscription, you can even go back in time to save the moments you want to remember. Nest Cam. Keep an eye on what matters to you, from anywhere.
8.
Have you ever wondered, is that thing even working? Oh, it just blinked. Red. Is that bad? Should I be worried? Why do we put up with this? Meet Nest Protect. It's designed with advanced technology to sense smoke and carbon monoxide. Can give you an early warning before an alarm.
Heads up, there's smoke in the kitchen.
And if you know everything's okay, you don't have to run around trying to quiet it down. Just hush it from your phone.
Smoke alarm silenced.
Nest Protect tells you where the danger is, so you know what to do and where to go.
Emergency. There's carbon monoxide in the living room. Move to fresh air.
And it can send an alert, so you know what's going on, even if you're not home.
The carbon monoxide alarm is over.
At night, it lights your way. And shows you it's tested its batteries and everything's okay. So everyone can sleep safe and sound. Nest Protect. It's time to know more and worry less.
7.
What do you want for a snack?
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes.
Yeah, that's great. Excited to see you this weekend, Mom. Bye.
It's going to be a great game today.
6.
Questo è Tado, un piccolo dispositivo che rende il tuo climatizzatore intelligente. Sono le 7 di mattina e Tado imposta il climatizzatore ad una temperatura ideale. Questi sono Sara e Marco. Marco ha qualche volta la testa fra le nuvole e dimentica spesso le cose. Sara invece è molto precisa e si assicura che Marco non dimentichi nulla. Grazie a Tado, Marco non deve più pensare a spegnere il climatizzatore prima di uscire. Tado lo fa per lui. Quando Marco è al mercato, il climatizzatore è spento e non spreca energia. Quando Marco sta per rientrare a casa, Tado inizia a climatizzare l'appartamento alla temperatura desiderata. Tado è poliglotta, può interagire con ogni climatizzatore telecomandato. Dopo una giornata lunga e calda, Marco è felice di rientrare in una casa piacevolmente climatizzata. Non lo saresti anche tu?
Welcome to Philips Hue, the world's most innovative lighting system designed around you. Hue is easy to set up. Just plug in, download the app and go. Use the app to tailor your lighting experience. Control all the lights in your home, whether you're at home or not. This will give you peace of mind, so you can enjoy your time away. And when you come back, they'll even welcome you home. Set your imagination free. Turn your gaming into an experience. And let movies make it feel like you're part of the action. Or just wind down and relax. And when you need to wake up, Hue will help you as gently as possible. It's about creating the best lighting experience for every space in your home. Hue truly allows you to turn on living. Innovation and you. Philips.
4.
You've lived with compromise for way too long. The lack of control. Energy bills that keep rising. That's why you need to experience life with ecobee 3 Lite. It lights up as you approach. Kind of like he does. It delivers comfort, so you can just be. It supports room sensors that deliver the right temperature to the rooms that matter most. The room sensors also know if your home is occupied, to save you even more when you're away. ecobee 3 Lite uses the outside temperature to always keep you comfortable at home.
Smart, isn't it?
And it can be controlled from virtually anywhere. It even adjusts your away setting when you're not home. And you're gonna love falling asleep and waking up in perfect comfort. It works with your day-to-day routines to deliver comfort when you're home and savings when you're away. Saving you an average of 23% annually on your heating and cooling costs, which means at just $169, it pays for itself in no time. ecobee 3 Lite, the smarter Wi-Fi thermostat that helps you live better and save more.
3.
Now, smart homes, they're nice and they make our lives easier. But what do you do about the appliances that you already own that are not Wi-Fi enabled? Alexa, turn on the ceiling fan.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now.
And that's where the Bond comes in. The remote controls in your home send special signals using radio waves or infrared. The Bond can read, remember, and duplicate these signals. It also connects to your home Wi-Fi. So using your phone, tablet, Amazon Echo, Google Home, whatever you want, you control the Bond controls your appliances, and you'll never need your old remotes again.
Two. One.
Introducing Ring Video Doorbell 2. The world's best-selling video doorbell just got better. Home or away, Ring lets you see and speak to visitors at your door, right from your smartphone. Home security starts at your front door. With a motion-activated camera, Ring Video Doorbell alerts you whenever someone steps onto your property. Ring puts home security in your hands. Ring Video Doorbell looks great on any home and is easy to install. A quick-release battery makes recharging a snap. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor. See who's there from anywhere in 1080p HD video. With the Ring Video Doorbell 2, you're always home.